it's you again. I can't get nobody. I'm bobbylina, you know. The llama animal. I'm going to a disco tonight. Maybe meet some nice boys. Okay, see you.
Oh yeah. You know what, guys? There's a big party going on tonight. Want to join me? You know that chick, bobbylina? I'm gonna hook up with her tonight. Alright, see you guys.
Oh, hello. My name is Bruno. I'm from Rio. And I'm a little bit shy. You know, I like boys. I don't know if anybody knows that yet. I'm also going to the party. And I really like that Diego, you know, the frog. Okay, bye. Oh, I really like you, Diego.
Yeah, whatever.
Diego.
Get out of here.
Diego, I like you too.
You do? Oh, give me a hug.
Oh, what's happening? No. Oh, he's such an asshole.